Everyone thinks the best-selling climbing shoes are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, La Sportiva Tarantulace. First up, we have the La Sportiva Tarantulace, priced at $98.95. What struck me about these shoes is their reputation for comfort while still being able to tackle a range of climbing styles. If you want a shoe that balances performance with comfort, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Designed with a rounded forefoot, these shoes cater to a wide range of foot shapes, which is really crucial for long climbs. The breathable leather upper not only molds to your foot but also keeps it comfortable, ensuring you're not wincing with every grip. Plus, the sticky friction RS rubber provides fantastic grip, so you can trust your footing on those tricky edges, even after 509 reviews rated at 4.5 stars. Now some people complained about how they run big. Here's the thing though, sizing down is part of the game with climbing shoes, and many find this snug fit improves their performance. If you're looking for an all-day shoe that doesn't skimp on technical capabilities, this is a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you're into both indoor climbing and outdoor adventures. Skip this one if you prefer a super aggressive fit for hardcore bouldering. For the comfort and versatility, it's a fair price. Now, if the sizing issues concerned you, the next shoe on my list offers a customizable fit that might just solve that problem. Product number 2, Black Diamond Momentum Strap. Next, we have the Black Diamond Momentum Strap, which retails for around $94.88. The first thing that caught my attention is its focus on all-day comfort. If you're looking for a shoe that feels good even during those longer sessions, this is definitely worth considering. The engineered knit upper offers breathability while stretching with your movements, which is a game changer for those multi-pitch climbs. The 4.3 rubber sole strikes a perfect balance between grip and durability, helping you feel secure on both plastic holds and real rock. Plus, with over 1,000 reviews and a 4.4-star rating, it's clear that climbers appreciate this shoe's performance. Now, some users noted that while it's comfortable, the rubber could feel less sticky compared to other high-end models. Here's the thing though, for most recreational climbers, this shoe's grip is more than enough. If you're not sending the hardest routes, you'll likely enjoy the comfort and support it provides. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into climbing or want a reliable shoe for the gym. Skip it if you're an advanced climber looking for super aggressive performance. At this price, it offers solid value for comfort-focused climbers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer laces for a more customized fit. Product number 3, Black Diamond Momentum Lace. Next, let's talk about the Black Diamond Momentum Lace, priced at $89.88. What really stood out to me is how it offers a customizable fit through its lace-up design. If you want precision and comfort, this could be your go-to. The Precision Lace-Up feature allows you to make micro-adjustments, which is perfect for those tricky climbs where you need every bit of support. The same durable 4.3 rubber outsole gives you that solid grip you need on various surfaces, and with a minimal cushioning level, you really feel connected to your footwork. It's no surprise it has a 4.4-star rating with over 1,000 reviews. Here's why this matters for you. When you're changing positions on the wall, having that snug fit can give you the confidence to push harder. Now, a few users mentioned that the minimal cushioning might be uncomfortable for prolonged wear. But I'd argue that for climbers focusing on technique, this sensitivity can actually enhance your performance. If you like a shoe that feels like an extension of your foot, this one's a great option. This is perfect for you if you're serious about improving your climbing technique. Skip it if you prefer a plush feel over sensitivity. For the price, it's a fantastic balance of comfort and performance. If that level of sensitivity isn't for you, the next pair offers a bit more cushioning but still maintains performance. Product number 4, Black Diamond Momentum Lace Lace-Up. Now let's check out another version of the Black Diamond Momentum, the Lace-Up model at $79.88. This shoe shines with its focus on comfort without sacrificing performance. If you find yourself climbing all day, this one's worth a look. The lace-up design allows for an even more precise fit than the strap version. The durable 4.3mm rubber outsole ensures you won't slip when it counts, and with a rating of 4.4 stars, it's clearly popular among climbers. However, some users did mention that the sizing runs a bit small, which can be a hassle. Here's the thing, while it can be frustrating, climbing shoes are meant to fit snugly, and a proper fit can enhance your performance significantly. If you're okay with that snug fit, it's a great buy. This is perfect for you if you want a shoe that adapts to your foot while offering solid performance on multiple surfaces. Skip it if you prefer a more relaxed fit. For the money, it's a great value for climbers who prioritize performance. Now, if you're looking for a lightweight alternative for water activities, the last option on my list might surprise you. Product number 5, Zeatop Water Shoes. Finally, we have the Zeatop Water Shoes for $20.99. Now, I know this isn't your typical climbing shoe, but hear me out. If you're looking for something versatile and lightweight for those wet and rocky adventures, this is worth checking out. These shoes are incredibly lightweight and feature a slip-on design that makes it easy to put on and take off. With a rubber sole that's wear-resistant and a cushioned interior, they protect your feet from sharp objects while still being breathable. Plus, the 7 drainage holes ensure that water doesn't linger, making them perfect for activities like kayaking and walking on the beach. With a 4.6-star rating from over 4,200 reviews, it's clear that many are satisfied with their performance. Now, some users pointed out that they may not have the grip of traditional climbing shoes. But here's the thing, if you're using them for casual water activities rather than serious climbing, that's not a deal breaker. They're perfect for amphibious adventures. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight and affordable shoe for beach activities or casual hikes. Skip it if you need serious climbing support. For the price, they offer an incredible value if you're looking for versatility. So to wrap it up, we've got the La Sportiva Tarantulace for all-day comfort, the black diamond momentum strap and lace for that customizable fit, and the Zeatop Water Shoes for lightweight versatility. Each brings something unique to the table based on what kind of climbing or outdoor activity you're into. Choose wisely and happy climbing.